Hello my beautiful viewers on my channel, James Higgins Open World. What we got now is bird's eye green cuisine powered by plants, fish free, fishless fingers 12, source of protein, source of omega 3, and it's vegan because it's Vegan Friday. It's the first Vegan Friday, so that's what we're having. We're having some of them, some potatoes, boiled potatoes, and some garden peas. And for afters on another video, because it's Vegan Friday, I've got some vegan ice cream as well. Aren't I good, eh? So this is the first Vegan Friday. So now, and we'll see what these are like. Right, ladies and gentlemen, here is my tea. There you can see. I like a bit of butter, as you know, and they're the vegan fish. Right, so there they are. So let's give them a taste tester on my channel. Mm. 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 Fully vegan fish, well, fully vegan. They do actually taste like fish, to be honest. Look at that. Mm. Mm. So what marks out of 10 am I going to give these? Well, you know my marking system, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for the gold start and off the charts. Mm. 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 Oh, cracking. Well, you know what, ladies and gentlemen, then? Bird's eye green cuisine powered by plants, fish free, fishless fingers 12, vegan, new. There's the back of it. Well, I am very surprised. Marks out of 10. Marks out of 10 or 10 out of 10 for gold star off the charts. They're a 9 out of 10. That's what they are. Absolute 9 out of 10. That's what that is. 9 out of 10. Yep, they're a 9 out of 10. Anyway, I'm going to eat my tea now, as you can see. But I've got another video coming up after this one. Vegan ice cream. So, there you go. There's the first vegan product. And it's got a 9 out of 10. Here on this channel, James Higgins Open World. Right, we'll see you on the next one.